No wind at the moment, so I'm dead. I see. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to another episode of MannOnBoard. Today we're going sailing. Okay, for the first time, going out with my Hobie Adventure Island with the sail. So I've got both my outriggers up, out, and I've got the sail up. You can see. Okay, the sail is up. No breeze at the moment. Earlier there was some light breeze. Right now it's totally dead wind. No wind. Okay, so I'm gonna learn as much as possibly can today. Okay, still not used to the sailing terminology, so I've got to learn more. So today is just learning how to set up the kayak again. Also learning how to unfurl the sail and how to furl back the sail. And hopefully we can catch some wind. I can catch some wind today. Got my fishing rods just in case if I have time to fish. Okay. Also at the same time testing out this modded seat. So made some changes. Initially I was thinking of using 4 legs, but on the advice of the US Hobie dealer, one of the US Hobie dealers, I was advised against using 4 point of contact for the seat legs because that creates pressure on the deck, on the hull, and it may cause stress fractures. I've decided to put on some foam underneath. So I'm gonna get better foams and probably gonna cut them to shape according to the contours of the deck and just put it under the seat. So far it feels good. Okay, it's not shaky, feels comfortable, very comfortable seat. I'm gonna get out from the blue barrels and hopefully there's gonna be wind. Okay, wish me luck and pray for my safety, guys. Thanks. Right guys, we are out from the blue barrel. Some light breeze right now, so I'm gonna unfurl my sail. Okay, here goes nothing. So I've got to look out for that streamers of okay, so I must make sure both are, I don't know what you call that, no, pointing the same direction or something. No wind, so I was told to keep a lookout. Okay, so I'm gonna check out. This is loose, man. No wind at the moment, so I'm dead. I see. Some light breeze, but I'm just not catching. Okay, I must see the 2 streamers. They must. Yep, catching the wind right now, so facing the wrong way. I got to make sure it's facing the same way. Yes, okay. So now catching the wind. So once both the streamers are facing back, I have one in and one out. Yes, okay. You can see we're sailing, guys. So alhamdulillah we are moving. Okay guys. So first sail not too difficult. It's just a matter of catching the wind. Okay. So I've got to watch out for other vessels out there. Okay, I have to make sure I stay safe. Okay, very nice wind right now. 6.7, you can see 7.2, just following the wind. Okay, so I've got to learn to go downwind and with the wind and against the wind. I have to learn. Okay, so this is the best time to learn. So, whoa, we're picking up speed right now. Okay, so picking up speed. Awesome guys, awesome. Okay, first time sailing, very happy. Yeah baby, sailing. Guys, the rudder line bit loose, so I went to the back, tighten the rudder line a bit. Just too loose. That's fine. Feet. We got no bait. All the fish that I caught all dead. So okay lah. See how. Alright, turning back to the front. Alright guys, that's the end for today's adventure. Coming back, water wasn't much wind, so I had to pedal a bit to get back to Kokomo Beach Club. Well, anyway, still a learning process. At least I have a feel of how is it to sail. I forgot to fix my rudder line. Something's wrong with the rudder. It's just not tracking right. Anyway, nothing much for fishing, so lots on sailing today. So that's it for today's adventure. Do drop a like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification for more videos guys. Thank you.